Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to find relevant subreddits for any given keyword using Chatgpt. So let's start, my friends. First of all, I'm going to write artificial intelligence related subreddits list. Artificial intelligence related subreddits list, and press enter. Here is a list of some popular artificial intelligence related subreddits: r/artificial, r/machine learning, r/AI, r/artificial intelligence, learn machine learning, neuralents, robotics, deep learning, computer vision, and NLP. These are all the top subreddits, my friends, and the Chatgpt has even given a description of those subreddits as well. So let's dive further into it, my friends. Let's go for cryptocurrency related subreddits list. Cryptocurrency, let's look for this. This is also a very hot topic, my friends. So we see that it has generated the subreddits for us for cryptocurrency niche. r/Bitcoin, r/cryptocurrency, ETH trader, r/Ripple, r/Litecoin, Dogecoin, crypto markets, crypto technology, cryptocurrencies, r/, and r/altcoin. Now one final one I'll do for this video. YouTube views, YouTube promotion subreddit list. Promote YouTube channel, r/YouTube promotion, r/YouTube tips, r/YouTube marketing, r/YouTube sub for sub, r/YouTube partners, r/YouTube video editing, r/YouTube creators, r/YouTube collaboration, and r/YouTube playlists. So I'm really sorry for the coughing, guys. I'm not feeling that well. So guys, this is how you generate relevant subreddits, to find relevant subreddits using Chatgpt. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar for future updates. Thanks for watching.